regular inspection and cleaning. Even the most meticulously designed and crafted linear guide systems necessitate periodic maintenance and conscientious cleaning to maximize their operational lifespan and sustain peak performance. Proactive measures allow for the timely detection and rectification of potential issues, preventing complete system failure and ensuring the smooth operation of linear motion components. Establishing a routine inspection schedule is imperative to detect any signs of wear, misalignment, or damage. Consistent cleaning protocols are crucial in eliminating accumulations of dust, debris, and contaminants that can impede movement efficiency and lead to premature component deterioration. In environments prone to moisture, dust, or chemical exposure, more frequent cleaning and inspections are warranted when tailoring a linear system to meet the specific demands of your industry or application. Carefully consider the requisite inspection and cleaning procedures to maintain its integrity and performance.